Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Okay, before starting our topic, okay, first you will to register your account using this my Nominex Exchange referral link. Okay, you will find into the description of this video this referral link. Okay, and also you will register your account using this my Binance Exchange referral link, so you will get team bonus and you will get 10% bonus and transaction fee discount. Okay, when you will register Binance, and when you will register Nominex Exchange, you will get automatically team bonus and added into my team, and 45% bonus, direct bonus, binary bonus, team reward bonus. There are multiple bonuses in this exchange. Okay, just click here. After clicking, and it will open. Okay, and type your email here. Okay, choose password, and this is my referral code. Okay, 85384. You can also type here manually, or click you. Use this referral code to register your account. And second one is Binance. Okay, it's also beneficial for withdrawals, cash outs, transactions. Okay, okay, after clicking here, and it will open in this way, and this is my referral code. As you will see here, it's automatic filled here, and here is typing. That's what your commission kickback rate is 10%. Okay, you will get 10% bonus. Okay, both referral links you will find into the description of this video. I want to withdraw this amount into the Nominex Exchange. Okay, see how to do this. I have already opened Nominex Exchange. Okay, account. Now you will see here, I want to withdraw some USDT into here, approximately 40 USDT. Okay, and this address, this transaction fee is very low, BEP 20, and copy this address. After copying, click here, and after Clicking here overview, okay, now click here to withdraw. Click here to crypto. Okay, click here to select USDT. Okay, type in or click here to select it and paste that Nominex Exchange wallet address here. Okay, wallet address, everything is correct, and you must select correct network. Which network? BEP20 okay, and this is same address is here. Okay, now select address. Which address? This address. Its fee is 0.8. Okay, transaction fee. Click here. The network you selected is BSC. Please confirm yes. Okay, network address, everything is confirmed. Now I want to withdraw 14 USDT. Okay, as you will see here, I have received 39.2 USDT. Okay, if I am typing here 41, then I received total 40.2 USDT. Okay, in this way, because 0.8 is transaction fee. Everything is correct. Now click here to withdraw. Okay, continue. Okay, click here to submit code, get code for verification. Okay, 3 options. And okay, 3 codes and click here to submit. Okay, click here to complete. Now click here to main account and check your account. Okay, if I am clicking here add 0 balances, as you will see here, I have not received. Okay, it take a moment, will complete. This takes 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, I have received 40.2 USDT, as you will see here. Okay, This transaction will complete and I have received 40.2 USDT, okay, into my USDT balance. Now, okay, as you will see here, into my in this balance is here, but why I am depositing 40 point USDT onto Nominex Exchange? Okay, the reason is I want to participate staking project program. Okay, staking project program. In other words, I am participating investment program. Okay, for daily profits, team bonus, pool bonus, everything.